video is an introduction to your assignment number 4, Lesson Plan with Embedded Reading Strategies. For this assignment, you're going to be writing a lesson plan in a content area such as science, math, social studies, or language arts in the secondary level. This could be middle school or high school. If by chance you're an elementary teacher who does not teach in one of these areas, or just teaches elementary in general, that's not a problem. You're going to pick a content area of your choice to write a lesson plan on for middle school or high school. Please make sure you email me to get this approved ahead of time if you are someone who is not currently teaching in one of these content areas. If you currently teach in one of these content areas, I highly suggest that you write your lesson plan for your content area. For example, if I teach social studies, make sure you write a lesson plan in social studies. Why? Well, because then you can actually use this lesson in real life, as opposed to just writing a lesson and only using it for a class assignment. This video is going to be very short because there is a voiced over PowerPoint for you to watch that provides additional information about this lesson plan. Make sure you're following the lesson plan template I have provided. Additionally, you'll need to include your supporting documents, anything that might be needed to go with the lesson, such as a handout, a PowerPoint, a KWL chart, a graphic organizer, any of those things. Also, make sure, since this class is about reading and content area reading, that you embed 2 reading strategies throughout your lesson plan. These can either be vocabulary or comprehension strategies. You could have 2 vocabulary strategies or 2 comprehension strategies, or a combination, 1 vocabulary and 1 comprehension strategy. Make sure you pick these out ahead of time and make sure they either come from the IRIS module that you've completed, that relates to secondary vocabulary and comprehension, or make sure it comes from our textbook related to those chapters on vocabulary and comprehension. If you have any questions, please make sure you let me know ahead of time. Also, I'd be happy to look over your lesson plan and your supporting documents ahead of time. Just make sure you send them to me within enough time. Say if you send them to me only 24 hours in advance, I may not be able to give you feedback in enough time in order for you to change it and then be able to submit it. Good luck, and I'm looking forward to seeing your lesson plans. Also, make sure you check out the example culinary arts lesson plan I provided for you. This is actually a lesson I taught in middle school once, and I've also included a student example, which is a lesson plan for the content area of math. If you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck on your lesson plan writing.